Hi everyone, today me and my group members are going to talk about copper as electrical conductor. These are the content of our video. Before we go further, let us have a small introduction about copper. Copper is a chemical element. The copper element symbol is Cu, from the Latin cuprum. It is located at group 11 and period 4 of the periodic table. Copper is a transition metal as copper has two oxidation numbers, which are +1 and +2. Copper is typically a reddish-brown color. However, pure copper before oxidation is actually a pink color. Now, I will pass it to my groupmate for further explanation.
So, let me show you why copper is important in industrial application. First, copper is used in electrical wiring and cables. This is because it has the highest electrical conductivity compared to other metals. This means it allows electricity to flow through at minimal resistance, reducing energy loss during transmission. Copper also has malleability and ductility. Copper is easy to shape and draw into thin wires without breaking it. This makes it ideal for producing long lengths of wiring, which is essential in electrical systems. These properties make copper the material of choice for wiring and cables in homes, power grids, and electronic devices. Copper is also used in the field of medicine. For instance, the uses of medical devices like MRI machine and X-ray machines contain copper due to its ability to generate strong magnetic fields necessary for imaging. Copper is also found in medical robotics such as robotic surgery systems, which perform precise and minimally invasive operations. The use of copper ensures that these machines can transmit.
Next, let's talk about the application of copper in agricultural practices. What is the function of copper to crops? One of the importance of copper is provide nutrient to crops. Copper is one of the crucial nutrient needed for the plant. Copper help to activate enzyme for photosynthesis, respiration and lignin synthesis. Copper deficiency causes plant to have stunted growth, wilting, delayed flowering on poor seed development, and also can cause plant more vulnerable to diseases leading to lower yields. One example of copper fertilizer being applied is copper sulfate. Copper also widely used in agriculture as an ingredient in fungicides and bactericides to protect crops from fungi and bacteria infection. Here are some of the diseases that caused by bacteria and fungi. To sum up, the uses of copper in agricultural application can boost plant growth and protection. Copper also enhance crop resistance to fungi and bacteria infection.
Now let's talk about practices for electrical conductor. Let's go. The first practice is the electrical conductor must be properly insulated. PVC or polyvinyl chloride is commonly used as an insulator due to its durability and flexibility. Next, we must use proper material selection. So what material do you think? For example, copper. Besides that, we can also use aluminium as the material. So why copper and aluminium? Because both has high conductivity in the periodic table. Lastly, electrical conductor must require protection from environmental factor, especially at housing areas. It should be protected at places exposed to UV
And also
radiation
at places
with extreme weather conditions.
So, to sum it all up, copper is a highly valuable material in many areas. In industry, it's widely used for electrical wiring and equipment because it's one of the best conductors of electricity and very durable. In agriculture, copper helps plants grow by being part of fertilizers and protecting crops from diseases. But, we also need to consider the downsides. Mining and overusing copper can harm the environment, and too much copper in soil can hurt plants. Large areas of land are cleared to make way for mines, leading to deforestation and the destruction of ecosystems. This not only removes habitats for wildlife but also alters landscapes irreversibly. In addition, excessive copper, Cu, in soil can have a toxic effect on plants, leading to several detrimental physiological, biochemical, and structural changes. So, while copper is incredibly useful, we also need to manage its impact carefully for the safety and the well-being of our planet Earth.